welcome to my channel. You're cooking with Chef Theo on my channel that Tasted Theo. Today we're getting ready to do an easy honey bun cake. Yes, easy honey bun cake. Today we got us a little, we're gonna use our base, which is a Pillsbury yellow cake mix. Yes, it's a box cake. Yes, I'm still Chef Theo. Judge your mammy, not me. I'm just playing, y'all. So what you're gonna need is your good old cake mix here. It's in the bowl. You're gonna need your cake mix here. You're gonna need 1.5 stick of melted butter. Yes, it's salted butter. It is, and I know there's been different recipes that say, don't use salted butter. But I don't know about y'all, but I like me a little salt, honey. I sure do. I like salt and I like butter. That butter gonna get this cake right for y'all. You're gonna need you some salt. You need some 1.5 sticks of melted butter. I melted it in the microwave because like I said, we're gonna do this thing slow and easy, baby. Or should I say fast and easy? You're also gonna need you some, a cup of buttermilk. Yes. You know, that's how they do it old school back with a little buttermilk. Now y'all see this right here? This just your regular old Family Dollar mixer, cake mixer, whatever you want to mix with it. I especially love it. I don't care how cheap it is, because my oldest son bought this for me. I was feeling all good because it was the effort, baby. So we're just gonna mix that up. We got our melted butter in here. We got our melted butter and our 1 cup of buttermilk. We're gonna mix that up. Don't mind the noise. Don't mind the noise. Just a little bit. Yeah, we just mix that up a little bit. And you're gonna need you about 4 eggs. Now I had like 2 white eggs and then I had like 2 brown eggs. But you know, it's gravy. It's gravy. Me personally, I like that I had 2 white eggs and 2 brown eggs. Cause ain't what the world consists of, a mixed group of people. Now some folks be like, oh, you gotta put 1 in at a time, mix 2 at a time, mix etc. etc. Baby, whatever. Ain't they all gonna mix the same? They is. They is. So I'm gonna turn this down a little bit. And I'm gonna mix these 4 eggs in. This is what you're doing. You're mixing all your ingredients together. I don't know about y'all, but I'm a working wife and mom, honey. I gotta make this thing easy. And we love to eat good. Yes, we do, honey. Now, we got all those ingredients in. But y'all, I had me a good little old friend long time ago. She told me, she said, Theo, if you want you a good moist cake, most times you can add you just a little tablespoon of sour cream. No, this ain't necessarily direct measurement, but does a chef have to have per se a direct? Put your dollop in there, just like that. Put your little dollop in there, honey. Then go on, mix that up. Y'all, this honey bun cake is so good. I have had people try Chef Theo honey bun cake, and it is amazing. Yes, indeed, honey. Oh, it's looking so fluffy. I wish y'all could see. Let me see. Let me hold it up with the hook. It's looking fluffy, y'all. Just like me. Yeah. Yeah, I just feel like I've been cooking all my little old life. Even when I was a child, I was in that great fried chicken recipe. Yes, you heard me right. Even when I was a child, I was making fried chicken recipes. I sure was. And you can ask my daddy now, don't worry about it. So after you mix up your cake a little while, Then you're gonna need your cinnamon mix to go in your honey bun cake. Okay. And that's gonna consist of 1 cup of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. And I like to throw in, just because I like that little extra, I like a little stank on mine. If you watch my first cooking show, you know Chef Hill don't mind a little stank. So, not real stank, but you know, like eating stank. So, anyway, skip that. So, then I got all that in a bowl. I got my 1 cup of brown sugar. I got 2 tablespoons of cinnamon, and I got 1 tablespoon. I'm not saying tablespoon, y'all don't kill me. I got 1 cup of brown sugar is what I'm trying to say. 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, and then 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, because I like that extra. I know I ain't the only one, y'all like that extra, I know. Now once you mix up all your brown sugar cinnamon mix, then you're gonna mix it into your honey bun cake. Now listen, they're supposed to be like, oh, you gotta fold it in. Oh, you gotta flip it, turn it, twist it. Baby, I do things my way. I'm a rebel, baby. I'm gonna do them my way. I don't have to be like everybody. Listen, we gotta stop trying to be like everybody else, because we're made to be ourselves. God made us just the way we are. I can't be nobody else. I can't be nobody but Chef Theo. Love it or hate it, don't worry about it, sugar. Don't worry about it, sugar. So, you're gonna, after you mix that up, you're gonna take your brown sugar mix and you're going to mix it into your cake mix. Now, I just pour that whole thing in there, just like that, because I can. And then, I just start to kind of fold it, but I ain't gonna make it no big deal. Some people like, well, it's honey bun cake, you gotta make sure it had a swirl. Baby, mind your business. Mind the business is paying you. And since it's this cake, what I say, you're gonna do this honey bun cake your way, just like Chef Theo is. So I'm barely folding it in there. Just like that. Don't that look good? It's doing like that swirl. Okay, so now that you have your cake all mixed up, I'm gonna set that to the side just for a second. And I'm gonna show y'all how we do our frosting. So, you're gonna have, for your frosting, you're gonna need 2 cups of white, I'm not saying white, powdered sugar. It is white for the record, but anyway. So you're gonna have 2 cups of powdered sugar. You're gonna have 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Pour that on in there. And then most recipes gonna call for like 4 or 5 tablespoons of like whole milk. But like I said, she beats the rebel. Now when it comes to the things of God, now whatever God say, I'm doing. But when it comes to cooking, it's my way, right? So I decided I'm gonna do 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. Yes, I'm minding the business is paying me. And I did 3 tablespoons of just regular milk. So you're gonna pour that in there. Okay. And y'all, I got me a little sous chef up in here, because sometimes chefs need a little help. Can one of you sous chefs get me some lemon juice out of the fridge, please? Please and thank you. So, with my frosting, I like to put a little lemon juice in mine. Now, most recipes don't call for lemon juice, but I like lemon juice in mine. Yes, lemon juice. I like mine a little extra, you know what I'm saying? I know y'all do too. So I put me a little dollop of lemon juice. It just give it a little something extra. So that's it, y'all. And in about a few minutes, or should I say about 30, 35, 45 minutes. Now really about 30, 35 minutes or so. I'm gonna show you guys the finished product. And I'm gonna show y'all the finished product, what it looks like. So be right back with y'all in about 30 minutes. Thank y'all. everybody. See this big old smile? That's because it's time to dig in. Ooh, let's get into it. Baby, listen to me. Yes, I'm talking with my mouth up. Yes, the man in your mouth. Baby, listen. This right here. You know what you call this? Smack. Now, baby, that's flavor in your mouth. Thank you for hanging out with Chef Theo today. With the Taste of Theo. If y'all was down south, I gonna kick y'all off, break y'all off a piece. But since y'all ain't, I'll go ahead and take care of it for y'all. Love y'all. Have a good one. Yeah. Go.